Action.
I need that.
Action.
Those are mine. The internet has done it. The internet has created a combination of my two favorite things in the world. It's when people transform themselves into their dog. The first time I saw this was Dope2111, who actually did all those eyes and stuff. She invented that trend, the trippy double vision makeup. She recently transformed herself into her dog. She like wore a prosthetic and like the whole puffy like dog outfit and stuff. But then I saw on Instagram a makeup artist named Alexis Stone, who does like celebrities, like he makes himself into anybody and everybody. And he turned himself into my dog Kermit. And I was like, all right, if I wasn't sold when I watched someone else transform themselves into a dog, now I'm sold. I need to become Kermit. I'm gonna really struggle with this because I don't know how to like paint. I've tried twice in the past to do like actual artwork on my face and failed miserably. It's not my forte.
You're bad.
That's like the whole comment section in this video. You're bad. I'm lucky that I have like an artist template of like what to follow. So I'm really gonna be following his video here. First things first, let me get my hair on my face real professional like.
Oh shit.
So for this video, I really went all out when we went to the art people store, you know, for people like me who are artists.
You were absolutely.
I'm an artist! I got like face paint, but they only have black and white, so we got other ones to turn into gray. Step one, I'm gonna take off my choker. And yes, you guessed it. When I take it off, my whole head will fall off. So I realized when I watched back his video that the first thing that he like kind of does, it's all in fast motion. It's not a tutorial, but he does glue his eyebrows down, so we ready. I know how to do that.
You did that before.
I've did this before. Just a little bit everywhere. So within like the first second of the video, there's so much happening. All the way under the lip and down here. And what?
Nothing.
Flashbacks of when we did this before. I don't have enough lip for this. Why the fuck would you laugh at that? Something under here, something under here, something going like this, something going like this, some stuff going on around here. What the hell?
Stick it up there.
Don't tell me to stick it up there.
Quiet on set.
There's no one here.
Breaking for lunch. Gourmet, gourmet, come here.
He has like way more teeth in here. I can't fit anymore. What? Is this like, do I need to add water to this?
I'll show them a close-up of what you're using.
Okay.
This is it.
I need a bowl of water.
Water? Come here. Your
mommy needs
Jesus.
Oh, here we go, beach. I can do this.
You know what? That's hip. I think you should stop there.
I have to put this in my nose, Julian. It tickles. I don't think this is right. How did I fuck up already?
Do you need a paper towel?
Yeah! Oh, that lip color though. Kylie Jenner is quaking. Oops. Oh, I got it on my teeth. I gotta mix the gray. I don't know how to do this. I have to make a perfect salmon gray. How's this?
That looks perfect. Oh shit!
This feels so nice. He has this like an outline around his eye that he did.
He does like a lot of shit that he doesn't show specifically.
Yeah, no! I think that's where he like stops. Why is it drying like sort of blue? Kermit's like lighter than this, isn't he? Okay, so my whole fucking eye. Sick. Got it. All right. What? What? Why are you laughing?
It's so bizarre that this is a thing.
Why is it bizarre? It's natural and normal. You ready for the eyes?
Mm-hmm. Woof, woof.
Now we start going down onto the neck, which he's already drawn lines on. I'm gonna need like a whole ass shower after this. Am I too gray? I'm very concerned about this color. It's so much darker than Kermit. I don't know what's going on. I like did a little like here and here, but then he does a lot of it with like shadow after. Oh my god, it's already a mess, Julian. Please help.
Oh, you're gonna draw lines for the teeth?
I'm getting it everywhere. Look, it's on it upper lip. Oh yeah, thank you. I had to cough and I can't move my lips. Oh my god, what if I get thirsty? Such clean, like, white lines. How do I fucking do that?
It's actually starting to get a little creepy.
Really?
Yeah.
The white's so hard because you can, like, see brush strokes. So he powders, like, the top of the face. Oh, beach. Oh, beach. Oh, it feels terrible now. It felt so good when it was wet. Now it just feels like, ooh. Am I starting to look like him?
Yes.
Oh god, this is so extra. When people ask you what your girlfriend does for a living, what do you tell them? Light happening up here. I'm an artist. Little like here.
You shady beach.
I'm a shady beach.
You wanna go to the vet? You wanna go to the vet?
You ready? Oh no, am I ruining it? Uh-oh, some of it fell on my face and now it's making it look messed up. Oh, sick. He does it like under here. And like right here. Right in the double chin. You know?
Can I just like honestly say that after watching his video like multiple times, I was positive you were gonna be way worse at it.
I thought you believed in me,
Well, I
beach.
believe in you to a certain extent. This is very hard and you're doing very well, sweetie.
Oh, get you a man who sort of supports you.
Oh, you're so good for a person who's not artistic.
I'm an artist! Honestly, at this point, I just don't even know. Do I look like a dog? What? I'm asking honestly for a friend.
It's so good.
I missed like 10 steps. I don't know what he's doing anymore. Ah! What? Stop! Stop it! I just went upstairs and got my eyeliner pencil and looked at myself and woo boy! So now that we got that far, guess what time it is? We do the ears! And this is why I'm gonna need a whole ass shower. Oh, I should have taken my earrings out. What have I done? I'm turning back now. Ooh! Like a whole glob of paint went down my bra. Stop judging me. I can feel you judging me from here. Don't do that. Don't threaten me. Don't you threaten me. Oops, that's too thick. I've already fucked up!
You can do it.
You know what? This whole like not having a gray and then mixing it myself every time is really not turning out well for me. After fixing my face for quite some time, I'm finally ready to try the whiskers again. Like that. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just watching.
It's normal stuff. All right, then he does a couple of brow hairs. Oh my God, there's so many things in front of me. All right, now I need my wig and my stare mitt. All right, Kermit, I feel like we got these beautiful matching wigs. Oh my God! Wait, can you zoom in? I feel like I can see that, but I'm freaking out right now.
What the?
Oh my God! Julian! What have I done? Give me my stare mitt. Oh, bud. Yeah, I'm like a little darker than he is for sure. I know I don't usually post thumbnails where you can see the end result, but like, is this a thumbnail?
It's so trippy.
Unfortunately, Kermit doesn't really have front teeth anymore, so we're not really gonna match, you know?
Stick your tongue out.
How'd I do?
You did really fucking good. Come, you wanna go? Don't ever talk to me or my son again.
Don't ever talk to me or my son again. I've reached my final form.
I don't have any words. I can't believe.
Smash or pass?
Smash, probably. Collective smash. Come, you wanna go? This is so weird. What the fuck? What the fuck is this?
Hey. Do you know? Oh, you have to lick it off. He doesn't even care that I just spent all these hours doing this to myself. Do you care that I did all this work?
The internet cares, Jenna.
This took a long time. Stop trying to get away from me. Act like you like me for the end of this video, please.
What the fuck am I looking at?
Kermit! Put your wig back on. Like, what's that mean? Like, I wonder what Jennamarbles is up to. It was, like, incredibly difficult, but, like, if you spend enough time, you can do it. Like, anyone can do it. It takes a specific set of skills to look at a picture and then do it on yourself. Like, I could only do it because I watched someone do a video.
Yeah, true. It's so creepy. It's still so creepy.
Should I close my eyes more? Well, this was this. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Wednesday/Thursday.
You guys look like evolved and unevolved version of a Pokemon.
I guess I'll see you next time, but... One chicken for wearing wig and goodbye. And good boy. When you're trying to get a boy to like you at school, so you get into his interests. I guess I'll take a lonely adult shower now. Goodbye!